Hello everyone, this is Wasim from digitalwasim.com and welcome to my AMZ Money Machine review presentation video. So today in this video we are going to discuss, is this product a scam or legitimate? How does this system work? Is it a right decision to do investment for this system? Are there better alternatives out there? Why should you watch this video till the end? By the end of this video, you will have all the essential information you need to make a confident and informed decision. Also, I have got a free bonus for you, so don't miss it. Who am I and why should you trust me? My name is Wasim Akram and I have been making money online for over 7 years now. Before that, I worked a demanding 9 to 5 job as a quality executive in the automobile industry. Although the job seemed stable, it left me feeling stuck and unfulfilled. After 5 years of grinding, I decided to take a leap of faith and quit. I began exploring various ways to make money online, from blogging to affiliate marketing. Most of the business models didn't work for me. Some were successes while others taught me valuable lessons. I managed to earn enough money that allow me to support my family and live life on my terms. I used only a laptop and an internet connection for my work. That's it. These are some screenshots of earnings I have made online. After 7 years of journey, now I have decided to start digitalwasim.com, where I share my knowledge and experiences to help others start their own online journeys. If you enjoy learning about making money online, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest product reviews and tips. Here is the quick disclaimer. I am an affiliate for AMZ Money Machine program. If you decide to purchase through the link I have provided, I may earn a commission. You will not have to pay any extra money for that. My goal is to give you an honest and unbiased review to help you make the right decision. So what exactly is AMZ Money Machine? Today we are breaking down AMZ Money Machine by Glenn Kosky, a new AI-powered system that claims to help you make money per day by uploading done-for-you books to Amazon KDP. But does it really work, or is it just another overhyped course? Stick around, because we are going deep into how it works, the pricing, upsells, and whether it is worth your money or not. Who created AMZ Money Machine? Glenn is an award-winning online marketer with over a decade of experience. He has helped thousands of people worldwide achieve financial freedom through his innovative systems. Glenn's journey from struggling to make ends meet to building a multi-million-dollar empire is truly inspiring. With AI Money Printer, Glenn has once again delivered a product that simplifies online income generation for everyone. How does AMZ Money Machine work? Step 1. Find profitable niches. The AI scans Amazon for hot-selling book topics. The system uses artificial intelligence to scan Amazon Kindle's marketplace 24/7. It identifies what kinds of books are selling right now, whether it is a romance novels, self-help guides, or even coloring books for adults. The AI basically does all the market research for you. Step 2. Generate done-for-you books. This is where it gets crazy. You don't write anything. The system has pre-made book templates and AI that can generate complete books in minutes. We are talking ready to publish content, professionally formatted interiors, eye-catching cover designs. You just click a few buttons and boom, you have got a book ready for Amazon. Step 3. Earn commissions. Now you take those done-for-you books and publish them on Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. Here is the genius part. Glenn's system shows you how to set up your books to earn affiliate commissions, automate the marketing, get paid over and over from each book. We are diving into the OTOs one-time offers that take AMZ Money Machine to the next level. These upsells are packed with advanced features, tools, and resources that can help you maximize your earnings and scale your results. So let's break down each OTO and see how they can benefit you. Let's get into it. The front end offer is just $17, which seems like a steal. But here is the catch. There are multiple upsells OTOs that can add up fast. Let's break them down. OTO 1 $1 million app $47. This upgrade unlocks advanced AI automation, giving you more high profit book templates and automation features. If you are serious about scaling, this is a key upgrade. OTO 2 Unlimited $67 removes all restrictions, unlimited book uploads, meaning you can scale your business to very high if you go all in. OTO 3 done for you $97, perfect for absolute beginners. This gives you preloaded books and campaigns, so you don't have to do anything except upload and profit. OTO 4 Unlimited Traffic $67. Boost your book's visibility with AI powered traffic, driving more sales and commissions automatically. OTO 5 Automation $97. Turns the system into full passive income. Set it once and let it run while you earn. OTO 6 ATM Edition $197. High ticket monetization, access premium Amazon affiliate offers that pay high amount per sale. OTO 7 License rights $197. Want to resell AMZ Money Machine and keep 100% profits? This lets you do that. OTO 8 $30K Edition Advanced training to scale to $30K per month only for serious marketers. OTO 9 Super Affiliate $97. Optimizes your affiliate earnings with done for you funnels and high converting links. OTO 10 Millionaire Edition $497. OTO 10 Millionaire Edition $497. The elite package includes one-on-one coaching, ultra high ticket strategies and VIP support. So what are my final thoughts about this money making system? This system offers a legitimate and accessible way to create and sell digital products for passive income. Its beginner-friendly approach, low startup cost, and potential for recurring revenue make it an appealing option for many. However, it is important to approach it with realistic expectations and a willingness to put in the necessary effort. Want to get started? Check the link in the pinned comment below to sign up for this program today. When you join through my link, you will gain access to my The Connectivity Code program and its value is $1,097. I have named my bonus The Connectivity Code. It is a special program where I will give you 30 days of personal coaching with me. Here is what you will get as free bonuses. As part of my bonus, you will receive support through Facebook DMs. Through the Facebook Messenger, I will guide you through your first steps in affiliate marketing, addressing any initial questions or concerns to set you on the right path. You will also gain access to priority messaging support, where I promise to respond to your queries within 24 hours. This ensures you have quick solutions and continuous support throughout your journey. So how can you claim your bonus? Step 1. Sign up through the link in the pinned comment. Step 2. Email me a screenshot of your receipt at the address provided. Step 3. I will reach out to set up your consultation and grant access to your bonuses. Here is an important reminder. Before clicking on my affiliate link, ensure you clear your browser cookies. This ensures your purchase is properly tracked and qualifies for the bonuses. If you are unsure how to do this, check the instructions in the pinned comment. What if you don't like this money making system? Are there any alternatives? Yes, of course, you can go for high ticket affiliate marketing, where you can sell products for 1,000 or higher. So what are the benefits of high ticket affiliate marketing? Number 1. Higher commissions per sale. You earn higher commissions with fewer clicks, making it easier to reach your income goals. Second, quality over quantity. You only need to focus on premium products, reducing the need for multiple transactions and delivering value for fewer leads. Third, increased credibility. You promote high-value brands, enhancing your reputation and building trust with your audience. Fourth, better return on investment. A single sale can cover marketing cost, making your efforts more rewarding. Fifth, sustainable business model. Higher profit margins enable reinvestment into tools and strategies for long-term growth. Sixth, potential for recurring income. Subscription models and recurring commissions ensure steady, ongoing earnings. Let me tell you the additional advantages of affiliate marketing. Number 1. Flexibility in working hours. Affiliate marketing lets you work part-time or full-time based on your convenience and goals. Second, freedom to work from anywhere. You can run your business from anywhere with just a laptop and an internet connection. Third, low startup cost. Starting affiliate marketing requires minimal investment, making it accessible for beginners. Fourth, opportunity to travel while earning. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn money while exploring and traveling the world. Fifth, passive income potential. Once established, your affiliate systems can generate income even when you are not actively working. Sixth, scalability without limits. There is no ceiling to your earnings, allowing you to grow your business exponentially. Seventh, personal and professional growth. You will gain valuable skills like digital marketing and audience engagement that boost your career and business. You can achieve your dreams with affiliate marketing. Be your own boss. Affiliate marketing empowers you to take control of your career and work on your terms. Break free from 9 to 5 grind, escape the monotony of traditional jobs and embrace a flexible lifestyle. Earn passive income. Build systems that generate income even when you are not actively working. Unlock financial freedom. Achieve your financial goals and live life without monetary constraints through affiliate marketing. Work from anywhere. With affiliate marketing, you can run your business from any location, whether it is at home, in a cafe, or while traveling the world. Unlimited earning potential. Your income is not capped, allowing you to scale your business and earn as much as you desire based on your effort and strategy. How can you start this? You can start just by using my free gift. You can access my free course through the link pinned in the comments below. I will teach you everything you need to know to get started. Like and subscribe if you want more future content. Free gift is in the pinned comment below.